welcome to Decoration with me, Artin. In this video, I will be showing you a beautiful indoor garden called Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden in Las Vegas, Nevada, United States. I took lots of pictures and videos for you. I made pictures into animated videos. We also added some videos. Obviously, we will be asking you to find out the difference between the videos and the pictures. If you watch to the end, I will tell you which one was an image and video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now and like the video so I can share more beautiful videos with you. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, and I'm serious! Did you find out which one was a picture video? These were all the images that we used to make the animated videos. I hope you guessed them right. If not, you learned something new, which is excellent. I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful garden. Like this video if you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching, and until next video, keep exploring, keep learning. Bye-bye!